Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer drop-down menu not working in Windows 11. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Click Clear, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Click View tab, click Reset Folders, click Yes, click Restore Defaults. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update Display Adapter. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.